Today, I want to talk to you about reducing your stress levels in your life. There's been an enormous amount of research which shows that stress and tension causes burnout in people. It also causes high blood pressure and also heart attack. So this is really important stuff to find relaxation in your day. And today I'm going to give you a technique, a device that you can use every day, which will help reduce your stress levels. My name's Tobin and I'm a meditation teacher. I have been for 40 years, exploring meditation and all things spiritual, all things to do with well-being. And I've decided to distill all that experience down into these short bite-sized videos for you. What I want you to do is buy a coffee. I love coffee. So coffee's a really good one for me, but you might find it's eating food or drinking a glass of water. It doesn't matter. But for me, it's coffee. It's a real treat for me. I love really good quality artisan coffee. So it's something I'm really passionate about. But what I do as part of my own daily personal practice is that I get my coffee and I sit down at a table and I breathe and I relax. Generally, this is when I'm on my own. But what I do is I feel how that cup feels in my hand. And when I lift the cup, I feel how much weight that cup is. How much energy does it take to lift that cup? I also notice when I'm lifting a cup how I lift my shoulders or I squeeze my arms against my body, and how these things, these habitual things we do in our physical body, have a impact on our stress. If you're over tightening holding a cup, then you're probably over tightening when you open a door handle or open a car door or shake someone's hand, or just generally walking around. You're holding all this tension in your body, and that tension produces anxiety. Your physicality has a direct impact on how you feel mentally. So by learning to relax your body, you'll find your mind will follow. So this is a perfect opportunity to check in your body and feel where you're tense, where you don't need to be, where you're holding tension in your body, and you can relax and soften. So when I pick the cup up, I'm using minimal energy to pick the cup up. I'm also allowing the body to soften as I lift the cup. So there's a direct relationship between the activity I'm doing and allowing the body to soften as I do it. It's a brilliant thing to do. Not only will your body become less tense and you'll find that your anxiety levels are reduced, but believe it or not, you'll actually find you can taste the coffee better because your body's relaxed. And because your body's relaxed and you're with the sensation of lifting the cup, you actually start to pay attention to what's going on in your life. You start to pay attention to the things that your body and your mind are doing. And meditation and mindfulness is not about becoming super enlightened. Meditation and mindfulness is purely and simply about paying attention to what's going on now in your life. And by paying attention, you'll find you are generally much, much happier. So that's all you have to do this week is grab a coffee, grab a glass of water, or a fork of spaghetti, doesn't matter. And as you lift that thing, relax. Feel your body and your jaw soften as you lift that thing, and really feel how much energy is required to lift that thing. That's all I want you to do. You can even do it with a cereal packet. It doesn't matter. But try it. Pop something in the comments for me. Let me know how that's going. And I'll see you next week.